Here's the puppies outside with Mama. And Mama is cleaning the area. Not really interested in feeding. Can you blame her? That's a lot of babies to feed. Mommy, you don't want to just stop and feed them? Huh? You want out? We'll just hop over. If you want out. Are you going to feed them now? Okay. Everybody was hungry. Oh, now we're done. Grace. Grace, come on. You want to jump over? There you go. There you go. Sorry, guys. So, there's Hank. I know. And there's Purple, Sadie, and Foxy right here. And there's Turquoise. There's Barney. And Tank is in there. We see Tanner and Gunner. And my black little guy. They're working on a name for you. Yes, everybody's has a good home to go to. And I have a waiting list. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I just know. You want me in there, don't you? You just want me in there. I know. Oh, you know, red female doesn't have her collar on. So that's her over there without her collar. Right? Uh-huh, you have some lungs. Yeah, I hear you, Red. I hear you. I hear you. Here's Hunter and Barney. Let's see who we are. Who is this over here? Where's your collar? Is that, oh, that's Red, female. She's as big as one of the boys. What? I was taking you outside so y'all could play. You don't want to play? You don't want to play? Huh? What'd you find? Smell something. Who's this over here? Tank? Well, they start to play. I know. All right. I'll have to do some more of you guys. Just a minute. All right. Here we go.